right.
All right.
Welcome to Via Candios Garage.
What? Mark's driving.
So basically, today is
January.
January.
Last day of January.
Last day of January. We are going to be working on the Tercel because we had an unfortunate accident that was not caused by us. The hit and run on the Tercel while it was parked at home, all safe. Busting up the taillight.
They literally backed out from
high school kids.
From across the street and just right to the rear end. So good times for us.
Good times for us. So we're out $70 on this whole deal because that's how much it costs to buy this new taillight.
Because, believe it or not,
because the cars
are not widely available for this. 1990.
1989, 90 Tercel, Toyota Tercel.
Is it an easy? I can't even remember.
I think it's called an STD. I ain't gonna. That's the trim. Standard something edition.
Okay, the STD.
It's pretty well based model.
Yeah.
Sure
Except it
feels
has
like
a
an
5-speed,
STD
so
sometimes.
not as base model. But basically, I drove over to Adam's house.
Yes.
And we haven't opened the box yet, so we're gonna see how it is because unfortunately the stupid listing.
They had no pictures of it, but they did list it right as the 3-door hatch. So
Yeah, they listed it right. We're rolling up to Adam's right now. The road's pretty bumpy, so I'm just gonna end it here. We'll get back with you.
all right,
Mark, already. All right, so we're here, Tercel. We're about to find out what's in this box. Excuse me, quality-wise with this taillight. So,
you want to do a rundown on some of the modifications we've made?
yeah, let's do a rundown, shall we?
Start with that.
Rally.
That was your idea.
Oh yeah, the little rally tape light. I don't know. It just.
I mean,
it literally doesn't hinder the lights anyway.
Accidental wiper delete because we lost the bolts to the wipers.
Accidental wiper delete is.
Yeah, we just don't drive it in the rain.
This paint,
Paint job.
also done by us.
Tractor paint.
We will be uploading some videos on this paint job. We have a whole process on it. We kind of started the video in the middle of it, so apologies there.
Right.
But
Just a
it's
group
all
of friends deciding to see if we can pay for our own hobby here, I guess.
Yeah, I mean it was like $300 for this paint job, and it's a $500 car. Yeah, I'll show you some spots so we kind of,
There is a massive dent under here.
Yeah.
There was a massive dent right about here.
Bondo chip right there.
This was
Bondo
bondoed.
was like from ear to ear.
Yeah, we kind of had to rush
can
heading it out.
See the door line is.
It didn't get to stay where it was to fully cure for a long. So yeah, we kind of just hit that with our knees, and it's been chipping ever since.
Yeah.
It'll be all right. We have more paint and this and that.
Yeah. So
honestly, it looks better than it did before.
oh yeah, yeah, we can.
Got to stay. Because we took these off to just paint them black so they weren't rust. But
Yeah, this is the good tail light right there. I polished it before we started it, so it'll match the other one hopefully.
Doesn't look half bad.
If the other one's glossy, so this is the damage.
replace it.
Yeah, so go ahead. So this is where it was rear-ended. And
Yeah.
I mean, the bumper's already cracked.
the bumper got messed up even more.
Yeah.
It doesn't matter at this
Doesn't
point.
matter.
You can see the.
Well, you can see the paint from the other guy.
Yeah,
The other
the
guy
paint.
right there.
Oh, that was already there.
That was already there.
Let me be clear. This is where it struck
this is
initially.
And then hit this. Obviously, it's chipped off a little more since then. But
Oh yeah, and then over here is another impact. But yeah, and it's wavy. It's stupid.
I mean, it was in great condition before. This
You want to go to the
No, yeah, but can't
the
find
interior
them.
mod we got going on?
The interior. We'll get to that. And there's the rest of the car.
All right. All right.
All right. So there's the package. It is a little messy. I apologize. So
It is your go to work every day.
this is kind of my go to work every day. In fact, we're gonna throw that back there. So let's go ahead and grab the package. Yeah, go ahead and grab that package. Very unfortunate that we have to do this. You can see
The doors close good though.
the doors do close if you want to. So this little switch activates the radiator fan, and that's
How you know it's on is the backlight on the and the tach comes
the
on.
whole thing comes on. And the temperature gauge doesn't work because the fuel box is dead. Hey, those work. Horn?
Sometimes.
Sometimes.
No, we bought the like 35 amp just switch. Instantly exploded. Bought the $2 switch.
The $2 house switch, and it just kind of rests in the cup holder because it's been too cold to do anything.
Yeah.
That's why we kind of rushed the paint job, you know. And then I VMS shift knob, because why not? And then this already weathered, like it's only been in there like a year.
Yeah, I don't know why it's.
But it's just one of the eBay ones.
The parking brake feels good though.
Parking brake is nice. That one time though, we had that one time where it just let go.
The day after we bought it,
The day after,
it actually did release by itself and start trying to roll down the hills.
I had to get behind it. Yeah, good times. Getting 45 miles per gallon. Yeah, oh no, we don't talk about that. Dude, on the hood, dude. All right, I paid $70 for this part right here. Let's see.
The eBay refurbished.
Not even refurbished, anything. Just
This
the pull apart
junkyard-
place.
The digital pull apart place provides
This is a boulevard place.
provides every once in a while. The
The
house always wins.
suspense. The suspense.
Wow, it looks so good.
Does it though? Let's see it.
Alright.
Oh wow,
Doesn't look that bad.
it's pretty good. Yeah,
It's really clean.
it's really clean.
Even all the connections aren't broken.
Yeah. Yeah, let's look at it. I mean, obviously we're gonna take what's already on the car and go with such.
Yeah. I mean, it has this little grommet here for the
That's nice.
for the thing.
That's probably just for the so no moisture gets in.
Yes.
Knowing this car, it'll probably get in anyway. Let's compare it to the other one.
The license plate and stuff.
This one's a little dirty, but I think the one you buffed
not
looks better.
bad.
But this one, it's just a buff and it'll probably look the same.
All right.
So versus this one, definitely an improvement.
It does come with this piece though, which this one is.
Yeah.
It's true, it does.
You know.
And that one's done. Yeah. Hey, we need the screw out of that.
Oh, we do need to screw out of that.
So,
I mean, but there's nothing
Oh, it
for it to
has-
screw to because that is also broken.
Well, it has this
right.
one, doesn't it?
Well, no, it goes into the tail light. So, all right, we're gonna get this set up so that we can take this one out, put the new one in. Yeah, new. You know. So
The new.
Yeah, so the new Mark.
the new one. So we'll get with you.
Cut back to you in just a sec.
Just a sec. What he said.
All right, guys, they gave me the camera. Big mistake. So now we're gonna.
Sideways.
Yeah.
All right, now we're gonna. This.
Disassembly and reassembly.
Disassembly and reassembly.
It's literally held in by.
It is literally
Two
held in by
screws.
2 screws. You
No,
know,
not even
Ease
two on that one.
of maintenance, you know.
ease of maintenance.
where's
That's
the-
one reason we got this car. Was ease of maintenance.
Yeah, that goes on. I mean, that was just why.
Oh my gosh.
Cooked.
Where's the screw for it?
Fair.
Oh, thank you so much.
There's your screw.
I mean, so we got the bulbs and that bulb's
Dude, I ain't gonna
gone.
be able to do it like that.
Where's that bulb?
Don't worry about that. We don't need that anymore.
Yeah, there's.
This is bug.
Was it that
Don't
one
worry
have a
about
bulb in it? Just keep stuff in order. That's the important part.
Yes. You can see our old one was quite a bit dirtier than our new one.
It's been in there a long time.
Been in there a long time, so it served us well.
It's almost like it's the original.
It is almost like it's the original. Oh, this one is original off some car.
It's original to something.
Yeah.
Is that burnt? Well, that one's burnt.
It's
good.
Here, I do have extra.
So that's good. We'll just put that back in.
Here, no. We have extras.
Oh, we do have
apparently.
extras?
Yeah.
So if we wanted to put one. Wait.
It's a little blue.
Which one did that one come out of?
I don't know. A brake light.
Oh, no.
Well, that's the brake light that didn't work, right?
No, they all were working.
Oh, my fault.
I think I might have replaced this one.
Let me see the before and after.
Maybe this one.
It's a little
Hand me that broken
corroded.
bulb.
This one?
I need one for this one.
Go ahead.
Just something to put in there. So.
Do you want to turn the lights on?
Oh man, you don't want to hook in.
Don't want to hook in? Alright. What is it? What's the problem?
It's not deep enough, I guess. I don't know.
It has a slide over thing on.
I mean, no, it's the right style. It's just
You just gotta push it in more.
I'll break that bulb trying to push it in all more. That's always
Do it.
forcing
His
stuff
hands
is bad.
destroyed.
Don't, I mean, because that, it presses down. There's a spring in there still. Just don't act like it's pressed down enough.
Don't worry about that.
Mark's camera work is God tier.
It's calling it
It's
good.
day one, right? Day one.
Day one.
Day
Okay.
one.
We'll just put it in without it.
Put it in without it.
It is a tag light, and we do have the other sides working apparently. So
Yeah, the other side is working.
Yeah.
there's the
The
bad
old
tail
one?
light.
All right, Facebook Marketplace.
You can see that.
See the what?
Oh,
Oh. Yeah, the whole crack from the impact.
Yeah, this is the one to use.
Break your back.
Facebook Marketplace, $700. I know what I got.
Barely used.
Barely used.
Memorabilia.
Memorabilia. So
Probably just gonna
it's
win in the
pretty.
car, honestly.
That's just diabolical. We're not gonna throw that away.
It's a memory.
You're right. That's a big memory.
It's the 1,000 subscriber special giveaway.
The giveaway?
The giveaway signed. Giveaway 1,000 subscribers. Subscribe now to enter.
Caught in the beard.
Caught
No.
Good.
I got you, bro.
Thank you.
Caught in
That
the
is
beard.
diabolical.
Wow.
Just destroyed itself.
It actually lines up.
Oh.
There it goes. Now it lines up perfectly.
Of course. As long as you meander it a lot, it'll just go.
All right.
Oh, bro.
Nice.
All right.
One-
The lights on?
Was this Gen 1 or 2? This is Gen what? 2 or 3 of these? This is how you install tail lights on Gen 3.
Gen 3 toilets yourself, so
Done.
Epic.
done.
Done.
Here's the lights.
Hey, let's
You
look
turn the Tercel on.
So the problem, we're having an electrical problem. This thing isn't even hooked up at all.
The third
Our-
brake light is just
Yeah.
dead right
So-
now.
And I like here. So this is the connector, and there's another connector inside that has the bulb socket. So, well, the bulb socket is just completely disconnected. You know, when I found it, the bulb was like destroyed in it. Probably from slamming it so many times. But yeah, so I'm praying that that's the issue, because right now the brake lights are staying on. Like if I were to go in here and press the brakes, right now with the headlights on,
That's what the brakes press,
yeah, on. Brakes are on right now.
right?
Here's the hazards.
They work.
They work.
So even when you turn the marker lights on, the brake lights stay on. But whenever you press the brake light or the brake, the marker lights turn on. That.
Yeah, so it turns on the marker lights, you turn the brakes.
Just tap it. Just see how many fast you can get it to go.
That's crazy. So that's a
Yeah, that's an issue.
minor problem we have.
Uh,
I'm hoping
train.
it's a back feeding. All right, guys, we'll come back when the train's gone.
Alright.
Other mod?
Yeah, other mod. It's gone.
Yeah, it's just gone.
Weight reduction, boys. So
Man, you say weight reduction, and this car is like under 2,000 pounds.
This is like
true, we can barely hold all of us
90s.
at once.
like 90s CRX levels.
You hear that reverse? So good.
I wouldn't say good, but oh. But yeah, so she shakes a little, but
It's motor mounts.
it's just the
It is
motor
motor
mounts.
How many miles we got on this?
192.
192,000. She's just breaking in. She's just
Right.
breaking in, guys.
We got another at least 250,000.
Yeah, we got at least another 250,000. It's a Toyota. It's an 80s Toyota, guys.
Technically.
Yeah,
On a
it's-
technicality.
On a technicality, I guess. But
Yeah. 192. We're about to hit 192. 100. With 102.99.
Big birthday coming up.
192,000.
Big birthday coming up?
big
big
for the
birthday.
birthday, we'll rewire the car.
Uh,
That's the plan.
As you can see, it's such a smooth ride.
It is a great smooth ride right now.
see if the
sun is
review,
in my eyes.
wiper works. Turn that on.
Yeah.
Rear
That
wiper.
works.
Rear wiper
good.
works still. It's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Turn the fan on, you know, we don't want to overheat or anything.
You wouldn't want that.
You want to get a shot of the tack?
Tack work.
I was gonna say, actually working.
Yeah, it's working.
Here.
No power steering on this machine. A whole 30 miles an hour.
That's
good.
Not even.
Oh.
Yeah. She's pretty good.
Especially for around town. It's getting
Oh,
great
yeah.
mileage.
Just a little grocery
I
getting.
mean, it's not bad on the highway. It's just, it wants to do 55.
Yeah.
So if you're doing 65,
It's just.
the engine's at 3,000 RPM.
Yeah.
And people behind you just get mad because you're in an old car.
Going 65
doing
and not
65
and not
and not
80 or whatever.
80,000.
And you're like, oh, and they pass you in their big trucks. No, that's just one of the cons of living in America. But you know, over there.
I like
But anyways,
it. Yeah.
I
so
think this is going to conclude it for us here at
Yeah.
Vlad and Neil's Garage.
probably will.
If you got an offer for a third brake light for one of these, hit us up.
But yeah, I think we're gonna end it here. So, vaya con Dios. Stay blessed.
Stay blessed.
Stay blessed.
We're gonna keep cruising.